Hello students, I am Pitambar Gadve. In this video we will see some numericals on radiation shield. So first numerical is find out heat transfer rate per unit area due to relation between two infinitely long parallel planes. The first plane has emissivity 0.4 and is maintained at temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. Emissivity of a second plate is 0.2 and it is maintained at 30 degrees Celsius. A radiation shield having emissivity 0.5 is introduced between given planes. Find percentage reduction in a heat transfer rate and steady temperature attained by the radiation shield. So let us solve this numerical. So what we have given? We have given two parallel plates given to us. Two parallel plates are given. So let us draw the diagram of a same. So this is one parallel plate. Let us consider this is plate 1. Another parallel plate which is plate 2. This is given to us. Okay. So two parallel plates are given. Emissivity of first, let us consider epsilon 1 which is 0.4 and it is maintained at a temperature of T1 is equal to 200 degree Celsius. And second plate having emissivity is equal to 0.2 and it is at a temperature of T2 is equal to 30 degree Celsius. And due to this, heat transfer takes place because T1 plate 1 is at higher temperature than T2. Okay, and we have to calculate rate of heat transfer for this situation, as well as when shield is inserted into this, we have to also calculate rate of heat transfer. Okay, so first we will have to calculate without shield, rate of heat transfer without shield. Without shield. Okay, rate of heat transfer without shield. So we have this condition. So let us draw. Suppose this surface is insulated on one side. So let us draw the electrical circuit. So we have first surface. There is a surface resistance. So surface resistance, let us consider it is R1. Then there is a space between surface 1 and 2. So R2 is a space resistance. And then R3 is surface resistance for surface 2. So let us calculate rate of heat transfer when there is no shield is inserted between these two plates. So we have rate of heat transfer Q is equal to, when there is no shield we have rate of heat transfer Q is equal to sigma or Q by A is equal to sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 upon 1 upon epsilon 1 plus 1 upon epsilon 2 minus 1. This is the formula. So let us put all the values and calculate rate of heat transfer per unit area. So we know the values are, we have sigma is equal to 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 into bracket T1 temperature is given, T1 is 200 degrees Celsius, we have to convert it into Kelvin. So 200 plus 273, so it is 473 raised to 4 minus 30 degrees Celsius temperature plus we have to convert it into Kelvin. So 303 raised to 4 upon 1 upon epsilon 1 is given 0.4 plus 1 upon epsilon 2 is given 0.2 minus 1. And when we calculate this term, we get rate of heat transfer per unit area Q by A is equal to 363.1 watt per meter square. So this is rate of heat transfer without shield. Now we will solve second point with shield. Let us calculate rate of heat transfer with shield. With shield, let us assume it as a QS. With shield QS. So we have this is first surface, this is second surface. This first surface is maintained at a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. Second surface is maintained at a temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is T1, this is T2, and one shield is inserted in between. Shield is inserted in between these two surfaces. Let us consider this is a third. Emissivity of this surface is 0.4. Emissivity of this surface is 0.2 given. And now we have a radiation shield having emissivity 0.5. So emissivity is equal to 0.5. So we have to put this value emissivity 0.5 and we have to determine rate of heat transfer. So let us draw electrical circuit, and we know whenever there is a radiation shield inserted, we have 6 resistances. This is R1, surface resistance 1, then R2 which is space between surface 1 and shield, then R3 left surface of a shield, R4 right surface of a shield, then R5 is a space resistance, and last is R6 is a surface resistance of second surface. So let us now calculate rate of heat transfer. Therefore, rate of heat transfer is given by Q upon A is equal to sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T2 raised to 4 upon 1 upon epsilon 1 plus 1 upon epsilon 2 minus 1 plus into bracket there is a 1 radiation shield, so we have twice E3 minus 1. So we have formula resistance without shield is 1 upon epsilon 1 plus 1 upon epsilon 2 minus 1 and 2 upon epsilon 3 minus 1 per shield. So this term we have to use for per shield. So there is 1 shield, so we have to use this term. So Q by A is equal to, Q is QS, radiation shield. So sigma is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 into bracket T1 is 473 raised to 4 minus T2 is 303 raised to 4 upon 1 upon epsilon 1 is 0.4 plus 1 upon epsilon 2 is 0.2 minus 1 plus into bracket 2 divided by epsilon 3 is given, emissivity of radiation shield is given 0.5 minus 1. And when we calculate this, we get Qs upon A is equal to 248.8 watt per meter square. So heat transfer when radiation shield is inserted per unit area is 248.8 watt per meter square. Now we have to calculate percentage reduction in a rate of heat transfer. So percentage reduction in a rate of heat transfer, percentage reduction in rate of heat transfer is given by, therefore percentage is equal to, so radiation heat transfer Q by A minus Qs upon A divided by QA upon A, Q upon A without shield. So let us put the values. We get 3, without shield we have Q by A is equal to 363.1 minus 248.8 upon 363.1 into 100. So percentage reduction is equal to, when we calculate this value, we get 31.57% reduction in a rate of heat transfer when radiation shield is used. Now we have to calculate temperature of a radiation shield. So next point, we have to determine temperature of a radiation shield. Temperature of radiation shield. Let us assume this temperature as a T3. So when we consider rate of heat transfer with shield, that means heat transfer through first surface, second radiation shield is same, and when heat transfer is this, so we can write formula for this is Qs upon A is equal to sigma T1 raised to 4 minus T3 raised to 4 upon number of resistances 1 upon epsilon 1 plus 1 upon epsilon 3 minus 1. So here, while calculating T3 temperature, we just consider these two surfaces. This is third surface and this is first surface. Its emissivity is epsilon 1, its emissivity is epsilon 3. So put the values. We know Qs upon A. Qs upon A is 248.8 is equal to 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 into bracket T1 temperature is 473 raised to 4 minus T3 raised to 4 upon 1 upon epsilon 1 we have 0.4 plus 1 upon 0.5 minus 1. So when we calculate this, we get temperature of a shield T3 is equal to 31.65 Kelvin is the temperature attained by the radiation shield.